Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In this video, we'll be talking about the last step of copy trading settings. We've talked about how to open your PU Prime. We've talked about how to, link it up with PU Social. We've talked about how to link it up with your MT5. Then you have to link up these accounts with your Tradeversity. It's important and very, very important. It's very, very important because if you don't link it up with your Tradeversity, you might be having issues. That's the truth. You might be having issues because, um, okay, let me sign out from this account and see if I can log into a different account and just do it once and for all. Okay, let's see. Um, okay, yeah, okay. Let me try and go to the home page. Home page. Let me see if this works. This is an account that is yet to be activated. I just want to see if it's gonna work here. Like I was saying, it's very, very, very okay. The product is not here. Oh, so that means it's not opening because I've not subscribed for it. Okay, it's okay. So I'll just make sample from the previous one that I've used. It cannot be edited unless we contact the customer care service on it. So it can be edited. So now the advantage is this. Number one, if you link up your MetaTrader account with your Tradeversity account, there's going to be a rebate that will be paid to you monthly. I think apart from referring people, there's going to be a rebate. As you're making trades, as the lot size keeps growing, there's always going to be like something being given to you back every month. That's monthly. And apart from that, if you also have a team, your first leg to your seventh leg, there is also a rebate on whatever they are making that is being given back to you. This is different from all that earnings. This is a monthly earning, and it's awesome. As people are trading, there is something that is being given back to you. As you are trading also, there is also something that is being given back to you. It's a rebate. No, so that is the reason why it is important for you to link it up. And also, if you don't link your account up, that is where the major issue, the major challenge is that your account is under threat. The complaint is still taking time, but they are expecting to take drastic actions over people who do not link up their account because that is how to differentiate. What do you call this? I don't know. I'm not too sound in English. So what I'm trying to say is they differentiate the boys from the men. Okay, let me just use that, but that's not it. They differentiate children from slaves. I think that sounds very quick. Well, that's how to differentiate those that are active members that registered through Tradeversity and those who randomly went online and just try to, get the backyard. And now, what they plan for those who goes through the backyard is something that is drastic, and I don't want to talk about it because I'm not going to be speaking for the complaint. But I know that sometimes you might just hear some bad news. Is it that you're being removed or your account is being just intentionally crashed? This is not authoritative, it's a rumor. But for every rumor, there is a truth. So I'm not speaking as in on behalf of the complaint. I'm just saying what I hear. So as an active member, you must do that. Aha, so it is important to do it. Now, what are you going to do? You're going to just come ahead on this page, on the menu page, and click on products. Then you click on clone trading. Okay, so you see the three traders. We have the three brokers. We have the Axe, we have the Vantage, and we have the PU Prime. So whichever one you're using, Whichever one you're using, you come in here and paste your MetaTrader 5 MT5 details number, in here. Okay, so you paste it there, and you click send, submit. So how do you get that? This is our MetaTrader 5. Okay, on our MetaTrader 5, I'm trying to see. Okay, on the menu here. Okay, this is the account we're using right now. So okay, now this is the account we are using right now. So just a minute. Come on. I'm trying to take, okay, I'm trying to bring it down. So um here is the number. So you copy this number one way or the other. I think, is it copyable? Or if it is not copyable, then you put it down and go and input it in the box here. If you're using PU Prime, if you're using Vantage, you put it here. As you can see, you just put it here, then you click on this. You understand now. So, okay, add client ID. So you put it here and you add the client ID. So the same thing here. Okay, you can also put it here. Come on. Put it here and you understand. It's not putting on this on PU Prime because I've already added one, and you cannot add twice or remove. That is why you're not seeing stuffs like that below. So that's all to do. But at the same time, that number that I'm talking about is still the number on your PU Social. So in case you want to confirm if you're correct, you can always come to your PU Social account. No. Sorry, PU Prime account. Okay, PU Prime. Yeah. Come on, not now. Okay. If you choose the arrow below here, you see which account are you trading with. As you can see, you see the account I'm trading with, which money is this. And if you look at this number, it's going to be the same as where is MetaTrader 5 again? Come on. As MetaTrader 5 is going to be the same as this number. So for confirmation, as you can see, 11:36:44:08, 11:36:44:08. As you can see here is 11:36:44:08. So you had it in there, and that's all about your settings. You're cool to make money, and also there's always a rebate on what you have made every month. And apart from that, there's also a rebate on those you refer into the project every month. So as we are making money, as we're making money, as they are making money, you're also getting a rebate again, apart from all you earn from the system. And apart from that, like I said, everybody must do this so as to avoid any story in the future, because anytime soon, I think they're going to be vetting the those that are not putting their details um, on the Tradeversity site, probably every week or twice a week. And I don't know exactly what is going to happen, but there is something that is not palatable happening to them. So the system is just keeping down to make sure everybody understand this part before they start taking drastic action. So I will advise you to do that. Thank you. God bless you. Bye. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.